Big smile, big smile. 14 points. When you get to 14, you're knocking on the door.
Absolutely, we are at the moment, and just having a conversation with Stucky, just told him that how important this game was for us. If we would have lost this one, then again we had to win 2 out of 4. So a lot of thinking would have gone behind that, but I would take this on any day.
Now, it was an interesting one for you personally today because this is your ground in many ways, and yet this is a ground KKR have never won, hardly ever won in.
Yeah, I just got to know about this stat right
9-1.
after the match.
Yeah.
After the match. So it's a beautiful victory for us, and definitely hope we could have cherished this one, but we've got a match day after again. So it's important that we focus on our recovery and travel safe.
It's the nature of the beast, isn't it? Now, very important decision to take when you were 57 for 5. Tell us about the thinking behind sending out Manish Pandey at that point.
See, certainly, this impact player rule, it has specifically helped us in this game, and Manish, he's been eyeing for an opportunity right from game one, but today he got one and he capitalized on it. So it was fantastic to see him and go out there and basically build on the partnership with Venki, who has been phenomenal on this wicket. And we got to a commendable total. And all I had to say to the boys that if we have got here, we can defend it with our bowling lineup, and that's what we did.
Yeah, at that point, 169 didn't seem like a match-winning total. We looked at the wheels on our buggy cam. There was some water on them. Looking down, there's still some dew here. How well did your spinners bowl in these conditions?
They were unreal, to be honest. Absolutely spot on in terms of executing their line and lengths. And whatever we had decided in the team meetings, they came out here and basically executed each and every ball. So kudos to them and the way they showed their attitude and character today.
And Venkatesh Iyer, that was some innings on this surface.
Fantastic one. I think he's been eagerly waiting to go out there and express himself in many of the games, but today he got this opportunity. So, fantastic flow of the bat, and he's someone who can change the momentum of the game. So today he got that, eye-opener.
Yeah.
Where he went out and he basically expressed himself. So, happy for him.
Travel well, because you're knocking on the door. Someone will open it very shortly for you. Well done.
Thank you so much.